Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. In this guide, we'll show you how to file Form 1099 NEC with the IRS using PDFLiner. Form 1099 NEC, Non-Employee Compensation, is used by businesses to report payments of $600 or more made to non-employees, such as independent contractors. You should use Form 1099 NEC if you paid someone not an employee for services during the year, and the total payment reached $600 or more. This includes freelancers, consultants, or anyone providing services to your business. The deadline for submitting Form 1099 NEC to the IRS is January 31st of the following year. So, if you made payments in 2024, you'll need to file the form by January 31st, 2025. To begin filing the form, follow the link in the description. Once on PDFLiner, click the blue button to open the 1099 NEC. Start by entering the payer's information. Choose the type of your taxpayer identification number, SSN for individuals, and EIN for businesses. Then enter the name, trade name if different from legal name, and complete address. When you've filled out the information, click the Save Payer button to make your future 1099 filing even faster. Then, proceed to the recipient's details, including their TIN, first name, middle name, last name, suffix, trade name if there is one, and address. To collect the contractor's Social Security number, SSN, you'll need to request a completed Form W-9 from them. This form allows you to obtain their SSN or other taxpayer identification number, TIN, which is required to fill out the 1099 NEC. Make sure to verify their TIN before submitting. This can help you avoid penalties and corrections. Simply click the Validate Now and wait while it's being validated. When the recipient's information is verified, we recommend saving it for future use. Use Box 1 to report non-employee compensation of $600 or more. Include fees, commissions, prizes, and awards for services performed as a non-employee, as well as other forms of compensation for services performed for your trade or business by an individual who is not your employee. Use Box 4 to report a backup tax withholding. For example, persons who have not furnished their TINs to you are subject to withholding on payments required to be reported in Box 1. Boxes from 5 to 7 may be used by payers who participate in the Combined Federal-State Filing Program and who are required to file paper copies of this form with a state tax department. After entering all the required details, click the Submit to IRS button. You'll be presented with a summary where you can double-check the information. Once everything looks good, confirm the submission. The 1099 will be added to the filing queue. PDFLiner will email you any updates, and you can track the form's status directly from your dashboard. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tax-related tips and document guides. Using PDFLiner, you can easily fill out, sign, and manage all your documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms at any time from any device. Learn more at pdfliner.com.